Hello guys, I'm Apoorv. I'm a Microsoft certified professional and today I'm going to discuss about union and union all. Okay, so let's begin with union. Uh, the union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statement. Okay, and if we compare union with union all, the union all operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statement. So it means that both are used to combine the result set of two or more select statement. Okay, now it removes duplicate rows between the various select statement. Okay, whereas it does not remove duplicate rows between the various select statement. All rows are returned. Okay, and then each select statement within the union operator must have the same number of columns in the result set with similar data types. Okay, each select statement within the union all must have the same number of fields in the result set with similar data types. Okay, so it means that if we compare union and union all, there is only one difference, and that is union will remove the duplicate rows between the various select statement, whereas the union all does not remove the duplicate rows between the various select statement. Okay, other than this there is no difference between union and union all. If we go into the more detail, we can say that union uses distinct, that's why it is slower than union all, whereas union all is faster than union. Okay, so let's see an example of union and union all so that we can better understand that. Okay, we are currently connected with test query database. In our test query database, I am going to create two tables. First table is class student and second table is online program student. Okay, both tables are having student ID and name column. Okay, in our class student table we are having a student ID, name and location. Actually there are three columns in our class student table: student ID, name and location. And in our online program student we are having only student ID and name column. Okay, let's create both of these tables in our test query database. Okay, the tables are created, and let's insert some record in both the tables. In class student table I'm going to insert 1 student ID, 3 student ID and 5 student ID. Okay, on first Amit, on third Adarsh is there, and on fifth Adit is there. Okay, and in online program student we are having 2 student ID and Mickey is there, and on fourth Donald is there, and again on fifth Adit is there. Okay, so it means that we can say in class student and in online program student we are having one student common, and it is Aditya. Aditya is registered in our class program and online program. Okay, it means that Aditya is registered in both the classes, class program and in online program also. Okay, so let's insert these records in our table. Okay, I have missed location over here, so that's why it has given us error. Let's insert this. Okay, and before inserting another, let's check whether it is completed or not. No, it is not. Let's insert record in online program online program student table. So now what we are going to do, we are going to run we are going to use union operator. Okay, and union operator is used to combine the select statement. Okay, let's execute this query. Sorry. So now we can see that we are having Aditya in both the tables, but when we execute it using it union operator, it is showing only one record of Adit. Okay, so it means that it has removed record. Okay, what type of record it has removed? It has removed duplicate rows for us. Okay, and when we use union all operator, now you can see that Aditya record is coming 2 times. Okay, so union all operator does not remove duplicate records. Okay, and I told you that union, it uses distinct. Okay, that's why it is slower than union all, and union all is faster than union. Okay, to show that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to include actual execution plan so that we can say union is slower than union all. Okay, for now I'm just clicking on this button. You can also use Ctrl+M to include actual execution plan. Okay, and I've included actual execution plan. Now I'm going to execute this query. Okay, so that both result will appear. Okay, the first one is with union. Okay, and the second one is with union all. With union all we are getting 6 records, whereas with union we are getting only 5 records because Aditya record is removed. Okay, and let's check its execution plan. It is saying that for the first query, which is union query, okay, it is taking query cost up to the 73%. Okay, and it is using a distinct sort. Over here it is using the distinct sort in union when we use union operator. Okay, and let's scroll it down. In our second query, it is saying its relative cost is 27%, and in this we are not using any distinct sort operator. Okay, through this we can conclude that union all operator is very much faster than union operator. Okay, and it is and that is also written over here. Okay, now we are going, now I'm clicking on include actual execution plan button. Okay, so that it will be removed. Okay, and let's perform select statement. Let's run select statement again, and this time we are only taking student ID, name and location, all the 3 columns from student class student table, and we are only taking student ID and name column from online program student. It means that we are having more number of columns in class student table, but in online program student table we are having only 2 columns. When we execute this type of query in which there are more number of columns in one select statement and there are less number of columns in another select statement, when we execute this type of query, it will show us an error. Okay, stating that all queries combined using a union, intersect or except operator must have equal number of expression in their target list. So it says that the total number of columns in both the select statement should be equal. Okay, okay, now we are able to execute it. Okay, now for now I'm dropping online programmer student table and again creating it, but this time I'm taking a student ID as varchar 100. Okay, and again inserting some records in our online program student table, but this time our student ID is A, B and C. Okay, and now again I'm trying to select. So it is again showing us error, conversion failed when converting the varchar value A to data type int. It means that the data types for each column should be same. Okay, that's it for union and union all. I will show some difference between union and join in my next video session. Thank you so much for watching it.